In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads in Microsoft Edge. If you're tired of annoying pop-ups and unexpected redirects getting in the way, this quick walkthrough will help you tighten things up using Edge's built-in controls. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. With the browser open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, also known as Settings and More. This menu is where Edge keeps most of the tools and options you'll use. From that menu, click Settings to open the full Settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, choose Privacy, Search, and Services. This section groups together the features that protect your browsing and keep distractions to a minimum. Next, in that same left panel, click Site Permissions. Think of site permissions as the control center for what websites are allowed to do, such as access your location, send notifications, or open pop-ups. If you see an option for all permissions, click it to reveal the full list so everything is easy to find. Then select pop-ups and redirects. This page is dedicated to stopping windows that open on their own or try to move you to a different page without your permission. Now, turn on the switch labeled Block Recommended. When this switch is on, Edge will block most pop-up windows and common redirect tricks that sites use to push you into extra tabs, ads, or sign-up pages you didn't ask for. If the switch was already on, you're all set. If not, flipping it on will take effect right away. Here's what to expect after you make this change. You should see fewer interruptions and fewer new windows appearing out of nowhere. Some legitimate sites, such as banking portals or document viewers, occasionally use pop-ups for important actions. If a feature you need doesn't appear, it may be because a pop-up was blocked. In those cases, you can allow pop-ups for that specific site temporarily or review the same setting later without changing your global protection. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the exact labels I mentioned, it may be due to a recent Edge update. Look for similarly named options. After changing the setting, refresh any tabs you already had open so the new rule applies right away. And remember, this setting focuses on pop-ups and redirects. You may still see ads embedded directly on pages. For stronger filtering, you can explore add-ons later, but today's change is a solid built-in first line of defense. That's it. You've enabled Edge's pop-up and redirect blocking to cut down on intrusive ads and distractions.